So now, taking care of the molds, okay? What I like to do, I have numbered almost 30 molds. I'm being very ambitious. I want to do more techniques that I've done before. But this is how you take care of it, okay? At least this is what works for me. So I'm gonna start with this mold, okay? I like to have cotton tabs, and I got white vinegar. I know some chocolatiers prefer alcohol. I don't like to have alcohol because over the long, alcohol tends to create spots, stains on the molds. Vinegar is much more gentle than alcohol, and it's also very accessible, you know. And then when I generally I like to, for certain religious groups, I like not to have alcohol, you know, because it's just not allowed. But that's not the main reason. The main reason is that vinegar is much more gentle with the molds. So what I like to do, I take a little bit of vinegar over here, then I just give one quick pass like that to my mold. Now, very important here, I don't want vinegar on the marble, so behind you. Vinegar can hurt the granite or the marble, so I'm gonna put it right here. Anyways, once I do this, I take the heat gun and gently I do this. I say gently, basically I don't want to stay longer than 4 seconds. I don't want to burn the mold. I just want to warm it up. It's important, especially if there's a little bit of cocoa butter left from a previous use. All right. So this is good. Then you don't need to spend hours cleaning the molds. So what I like to do, I just put my hand down, apply a little bit of pressure. Then, can you hear that? 1 pass, 2 passes, next. And there's no need to be there hours and hours and no. It's not necessary. Sometimes you won't hear that sound. If you don't hear it, it's okay. But if you heard it, it's better. Anyhow, I'll just go this way. It's the again heat. Then I still have a little bit of vinegar left in this, so it does not need to be soaking wet, but I just very quickly do this. Now I come back here. I'm going to use this cutie cotton swab that has the point, and I'll just get into the corners. Does that make sense? So this allows to get into the corners, and most of the time, if you unmold this and you have a very beautiful bonbon, you may not have to use this. You just do it, but here I also do it through the light, and I can see if I have any remnants from a previous use. So the light always helps, but this one looks okay. Yeah. Anyhow, you heard that? See, that's a good sign. Now, so this is good. The next thing I like to do, and you can do this during the slow time, if there's any slow time, you can take air and blow it dry, just, you know. And I want to show you how to do that. Also, when you have like molds like this, they have multiple sides. You can also use a Q-tip to do the corners.